5 states of consciousness. There are 5 different states of consciousness, each with its own unique frequency and corresponding mood. The first among them is delta state. Delta waves are associated with deep, dreamless, and restorative sleep. Delta waves are attributed to many of our unconscious bodily functions, such as regulating the cardiovascular and digestive systems. In this state, the body is restoring its health and immune system to optimal efficiency. Number 2, the theta state. In this state, the patient is more susceptible to hypnosis and subconscious suggestion. Theta waves are experienced during deep meditation, dreams, and light sleep, thus exhibiting a more relaxed, open mind state. Theta waves are also linked to us experiencing and feeling deep, raw emotions. Theta state gives the benefits of helping improve our creativity, wholeness, and intuition, making us feel more natural. Number 3, the alpha state. Alpha waves are the frequency bridge between our conscious thinking, beta, and subconscious, theta, mind. It is experienced when we physically and mentally relaxed, but also drowsy. They are known to calm you down and promote feelings of deep relaxation and content. Number 4, beta. Beta waves are the high-frequency waves most commonly found in awake and alert humans. They are channeled during conscious states such as cognitive reasoning, calculation, reading, speaking, or thinking. For example, I am currently speaking to you in the beta wave state. Finally, number 5, the gamma state. Gamma waves are involved in processing more complex tasks. Gamma waves are found to be important for learning, memory, and processing. They are used as a binding tool for our senses to process new information. More recently, people have found a strong link between meditation and gamma waves, a link attributed to a heightened state of being or completeness experienced when in a meditative state.